part of that would be the leadership ones, who taking senior role in their expertise and then potential to be developed into the future leader. Who taking, and also very important one is the stretch assignment for those that are targeted for the lead position or higher leadership positions. Hello, I'm Lee, and you're watching the Workforce Flywheel Show of VSHR Pro Academy.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to new episode of Workforce Flywheel Show of VSHR Pro Academy. And today in this show, we're going to talk about creating leaders. So creating leaders is important. We all talk about it. We all listen about it too. There's a lot of talk about it, but actually, how many organizations actually doing it, and how many actually organization making the best out of it as well too, and really facilitating the leadership development growth too. So today in our show, we have a special guest. So the guest who has built her career since 2010 with starting with as a recruitment executive as CSE. So she started on her career about recruitment, and then she built up her career through the journey as become an HR manager, and then associate HR director, and then finally reaching to human resource director. And not only that, she's also a good symbol of stability because she's in organizations where the organization started when in a very startup mode and now got multiple round of investment and now come to a quite interesting positions right now. And that's why the leaderships is also very important for her. So let me introduce you to this, our guest. Our guest is Miss Minh Ly Vo. She's the Human Resource Director of Chotot, Vietnam. Hello, Minh.
Hello, everyone. Yeah, my great pleasure to be here in the show with you. Yeah,
It's a pleasure to have you too, Lee. So let's talk about creating leaders. So the first thing we're going to talk about is about leadership is important. More or less, we already know that one too. So can you share some of your most effective strategies in your company has implemented to identify and nurture potential leaders within the organization?
leadership development is one part of the talent management uh, strategy. Yeah, so as part of the strategy, we need to start with the workforce itself, the business strategy itself. So before we're talking about the talent development or the leadership development, we need to talk about what the organization needs, where it is, and where it aims to be. So it is essential to have the SWOT analysis um, of the organization and its workforce. We need to know the strength, the weakness, and what are the opportunities we need to capture in the future, what may be the potential threats, so that we have the full picture of our strength, weakness, and opportunity and threats first. And then with those in mind, and then we can start to like the talent mapping one. So those are the talents we have in the pool. We classify them into potential, high performance, and so on. We call it maybe the practice you may heard about is the night box scripts. And then with those SWOT and like the talent map on your hand, you can do the succession planning and also come out with the development plan for those like a very high potential and high performance one. And part of that would be the leadership ones. Yeah, someone who taking senior role in their expertise and then potential to be developed into the future leader. Yeah, so they take because we do all need to how can I say to understand what the organization needs, and is it necessary to have a lead for that specific function? Is it necessary to have a maybe a director for that functions to lead to break through that to the market? We only start with the business strategy, and then the talent strategy and the leadership come after that. Mm. So for the practice that you asked to summary, it is the talent mapping one. SWOT analysis, the leadership development programs that we build after that to really develop the leadership of those selected ones. 360 feedback to get the constant feedback and constant timely feedback on the new gain competency. And also very important one is the stretch assignment for those that are targeted for the lead position or higher leadership positions to prove themselves and to earn expertise themselves. And the very important one is the constant coaching and mentoring along the way. Yeah.
Are you looking to make your workforce more productive and effective? Yes, right? So then I have a great news for you. So check out the description section of this video. There is a bunch of scorecard for you. So what is this scorecard for? So those scorecard can help you to assess different aspects of your workforce present situation. And then when you take the scorecard, you will get understanding of your present situation. You will get industry benchmarks. And not only that, you will also receive our expert advice as well too. So you can tackle them and make your workforce more productive and effective as well too. And one more great thing, there is no fees for scorecards. So feel free to use and also share to your friends and other colleagues as well too. And if you need more our help, so check the also description section. There is a link for us where you can book an appointment with our expert to have a conversation as well too. Are you a business or HR leader? Then this is an excellent challenge for you. So don't forget to subscribe right now so you don't miss out the next valuable insights and tools and guidelines from us.